Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2015 BMW F800R. This is BMW's mid-size sport standard motorcycle. It has a 798cc 2-cylinder engine, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This bike is a clean title California bike with 7,342 miles on the odometer. This bike is all stock and runs perfectly. This bike is beautiful, not a scratch on it. The fuel injection 800cc engine runs very smoothly, good around town, has ABS and heated grips. This very nice BMW F800R is offered only $79.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach that 408-730-0600.